On my Talaria there was no cap on the gearbox breather tube, so almost all of the oil leaked out and into my car. I looked online and saw they were gearbox breathers and they were all expensive, so I made my own. A gearbox breather allows the oil in the gearbox to expand without the potential to leak out. It will also prevent dirt or anything else from getting inside the gearbox. An hour into the print I noticed it was way too big, so I went back to designing. The print came out well, but there were still things wrong with the design. Since this is only meant for me, I used hot glue to attach the top on. It doesn't look too good, but the hot glue will provide a good seal for the oil. This is the final design on the Talaria. The tube could be cut to look cleaner, but changes might be made later.